Welcome to a sim code. Introduction to Python. Python is a high-level programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is versatile and widely used in many fields, including web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and automation. Known for its ease of use and readability, Python has become one of the most popular programming languages globally. Key characteristics of Python. 1. Interpreted 2. Portable 3. Object-oriented 4. Interactive 5. Open source 6. Easy to learn and use these features make Python suitable for beginners and experts alike. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, meaning that there is no need for a separate compilation step. The Python interpreter directly executes the code, making it easier to test and debug compared to compiled languages like C and C++. Portability of Python. Python is highly portable. It can run on multiple platforms such as Linux, Windows, and Mac without requiring changes to the code. Python is also used in embedded systems like Raspberry Pi. Object-oriented programming in Python. Python supports object-oriented programming, OOP. You can define classes and create objects with inheritance, but unlike languages like C++, Python avoids constructors/destructors for simpler object management. Interactive programming. Python allows for interactive programming, where you can write code and execute it line by line. This makes Python popular in scientific computing and data analysis, similar to environments like MATLAB. Interface with other languages. Python can interface with other programming languages like C, C++, and Fortran, allowing developers to optimize performance by using Python for high-level tasks and other languages for low-level operations. Open source nature. Python is open source, with an active community that constantly contributes to improving the language. The reference implementation, CPython, is managed by the Python Software Foundation, PSF. Ease of use. Python is known for its simplicity and readability. Its syntax is intuitive, making it accessible to beginners while still being powerful for experienced developers. Python's learning curve is much gentler than that of languages like C++ and Java. Python interpreter and execution. Python uses an interpreter to execute code directly. The process involves four phases. 1. Lexing, tokenization. 2. Parsing. 3. Compiling. 4. Interpreting. This allows for immediate execution and testing of code. CPython and Python implementations. CPython is the standard implementation of Python, written in C. Other implementations like Cython, Pyston, Jython, and IronPython cater to specific needs like performance optimization, Java integration, and .NET support. Just in time. JIT, compilation in PyPy. PyPy is an alternative Python interpreter that uses JIT compilation to speed up execution. This approach directly compiles Python code into machine code at runtime, resulting in faster performance for some types of programs. Conclusion. Python is an incredibly versatile language. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, Python's simple syntax and powerful libraries make it an excellent choice for many types of software development.